Charan Co Pvt Ltd is $100 million turnover by 2020. Chennai-based Charan Company Ltd RCPL, one of the leading chemical distributors in India, is bullish on its automotive industry-generated business and is betting big on plastics and rubber products. RCPL, which ventured into the manufacture of rubber and plastic products in 2011-12, has now built expertise for these products and sees burgeoning demand from the automotive and aviation sectors. It is now eyeing an ambitious $100 million revenues by 2020, up from the current $40 million in 2015-16. According to the company, the chemical distribution business continues to get bigger, but its manufacturing vertical will push the actual growth towards achieving its ambitious revenue target. At present, a large chunk of its revenues comes from the chemical distribution business. The manufacturing vertical, which is 15% of the total business, is likely to grow to be half of the total business by 2020. The company supplies raw materials for products like hoses, belts, oil seals, and rubber pads to key clients. To drive future growth, the company is investing Rs 23 crore in FY 2016-17 and Rs 12 crore every year till 2020 towards capacity expansion. It has two manufacturing facilities in Chennai and Vadodara and has invested Rs 10 crore in a bigger plant in Vadodara, which will be operational in early 2017. According to Kaushik Palicha, Director, RCPL, we have nearly 876 automotive Tier 1 and 2 customers across India. In South India alone, there are more than 447 suppliers for plastic and rubber components, and all of them work with us. All these customers supply to all the major Ms, including passenger cars, two-wheelers, and commercial vehicles. As regards the aviation sector, RCPL supplies to two Indian suppliers of Boeing and Airbus, besides exporting to Turkey on a smaller basis. It is also eyeing growing business from India's indigenous defense program, as imports from Israel and Russia are falling significantly. New focus area: lightweighting. The company believes that the worst is over for the automotive industry and there is a lot of potential for growth. It is working on trials for plastic and silica compound formed products. The new plastic compound reduces weight by about 18 times without losing strength or quality. For instance, a typical dashboard weighs about 34 kilograms. By using this new material, the company is trying to reduce this up to 18 times. As the trial run for this material has been completed at its Chennai Tech Center, production is slated to start at the Vadodara plant. The distribution business comprised about 3,000 tons a month and has been growing at a CAGR of 32% for the past 3 years. The manufacturing business is 300 tons but will add another 1,800 tons every month once a new Vadodara plant goes on stream by March 2017. These capacities will be largely used for the high potential growth in the automotive and aviation sectors. Earlier we didn't have our own capacities and the formulations used to outsource them, but since the past 3 years we have our own capacities. In a bid to expand capacity, we are coming up with a new manufacturing plant in Vadodara and are also investing in our existing Chennai plant to enhance our capacity, says Palicha. The company supplies raw materials for products like hoses, belts, oil seals, and rubber pads to key clients including Hitech RI, Fenner India, Dong HS Chemical, Gold Seal, Prabhat, Pulsar, Nai, Phoenix Fuel, Nishikawa, Nai, Zenith, Nishikawa, Tokai Kojo, Bendo, and Yamashita. Dominating the distribution business, the Chennai laboratory, which is equipped with the latest equipment, helps check product quality and certification. RCPL claims it is the largest chemical distribution company in India with a presence at 23 locations and caters to tire makers like TVS Tires, Emerald Resilient Tire, BKT, MRF, Apollo, Seat,